Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Ford Focus Trend. Stock reference number 4449. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front and rear end. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.